Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Matt. If you're new here and you like a good old pond build, please consider subscribing. That way you won't miss out on any future content or what I'm getting up to with the build. And to those of you that are returning and have already subscribed, I'd like to say a big thank you. It means a lot to me. Just to let you know and just to remind you that I will be holding a little giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. It's only a small milestone, but yeah, it's a big one to me. A couple of prizes, nothing major, but we're close, getting up to 100. So more than likely on my next video, we'll be holding that subscriber giveaway. So yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to do so to give yourself a chance of winning. So I'm still on the block work. Bit of a bonus this weekend. I was meant to be working Saturday, so I managed to get out of that, and also the weather wasn't meant to be too great, but it's been dry, so I've managed to have a few hours out there. So yeah, I've got a bit more done. Also wanted to get out 3 or 4 or the rest of the fish that I haven't already measured to give them a check over before winter, and just to see how they've grown. I did get my showa out and my kahaku a couple of weeks ago, so you've probably already seen them. So yeah, there's another 3 or 4 to come out. We'll have a look at them. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna run the videos. Catch you soon. Right, so it's Saturday. Got a double bonus this weekend. I didn't think I was going to get anything done. One, because I was meant to be working today, which somehow I managed to get out of it. And last weekend it also said it was meant to be raining this weekend, so, and it's not. A little bit cloudy, nice and cool. But yeah, I've got today and tomorrow to get as much done as I can. I'll start by getting down, getting the corners in, and then I'll work from there. I do need to get the skimmer out at some point as well, see how I'm going to work that into the block work. I've got a Cockney koi skimmer. Yeah, need to get it out and have a look, so right, I'm going to get cracking. Right, so that's the block work done for the filter house. 3 courses. Here's my door. Not the neatest of mortar, I know that, but not bad for a first timer, I don't think. So yeah, that's that done. So moving on to the rest of the pond now. Want to get this 4th course done. Right, that's me done for the day. Got a fair bit done. Probably been out here about 4.5 hours. Definitely needed to use that today. Back is in bits, man. Right, so yeah, as I said, I've got the filter house done. 3 courses there. The rest is going to be timber. I've got the 4th course on the back here. Cornering over there. I'll take you around to the front. Got this corner in. 4th course there. 4th course there. And a window gap. Looking at it now, I might just go 6 courses high. I'm going to have my skimmer down that end, so I'll leave that end, leave that at 4 for now, because I need to work out how the skimmer's going in. And tomorrow when I come out, I'll do the 4th course over the back there, the top there, and go from there really. Probably will get the skimmer out tomorrow, see how it's going to fit in with the block work. Yeah, but I'm quite happy with my progress so far. Not the tidiest of jobs, but not bad. So back on it tomorrow. Okay, so I just wanted to get 3 or 4 of the fish out to check before winter and to give them a quick measure. I've got the showa and the
kahaku out a couple of weeks ago. This is my Jinrin. Now, is it a Tancho kahaku? The red spot doesn't go past the shoulders. I don't know what the technical term is, but the red spot is completely on the head, so yeah. Be interesting if you guys could just confirm or tell me if it isn't. I think it is. Tancho kahaku. Just measured him up 25 centimetres. Got him at the beginning of this season. I think he was about 19 centimetres. But yeah, he looks in good condition. Put on a bit of growth this summer. And I'll get him back in. And this is my shag. Nothing really special about him. Can get him moving around a bit out the light. Just measured him. He's 27. Again, he was about 18, 19 cm when I got him. That thing looks a bit red on the camera, but it's not, it's just a reflection. Just checked. Yeah, he's put on some growth. Again, this is it what you call the shoulders here. I don't know what the fishy term is, the koi term. But that seems to have developed really well over the over this season. And I don't know if I've read it right, but I think I've read that if they've got a kind of big shoulder area, that's a sign that they can grow pretty well. But yeah, nothing special, but I like him. 27 cm. Yeah, let's get him back in. Right, and this is my kajaku. Just about. Is it Sumi? The red or orange? Still learning my koi colours. Yeah, but the orange and that was coming right down his head when I bought him. It seems to be slowly disappearing. Beautiful fish though. If that orange or red does go, what does that make it then? If you could let me know, that'd be a help. Well, he's just measured him 26 centimetres, and yeah, got him the same time as the shag and the kahaku. In good condition. Yep, he looks fine. I'll get him back in. Right, and it's the last one I'll get out today. This is my showa. I only got him back in like, I think end of July, 23 cm. Just measured him up. He's 26 now. Particularly liked the black on all of his fins. Yep. It's a beautiful fish. I do actually know what the breeder is on this one, not at the top of my head, but I'll put it up just at the side there. Get a bit of movement from me, boy. There we go. Really nice fish. Not sure if it's male or female, but again, it's got quite a prominent shoulder there, so hopefully I can get some growth out of him next year. and he looks in good nick, so I'll get him back in. Okay, so next day, it's Sunday today. My back is in absolute bits from yesterday, but I need to get cracking on with this. Early start tomorrow for work, so get what I can get done. So I want to get that back 4th course done over there, get that 4th course done there, probably get these 2 more corners in and 2 more corners in there, and then we'll see where we go from there. Also want to get the skimmer out as well. That's going to be going down that end, obviously by the filter house. Just want to see how that Cockney Koi skimmer fits into there. I've got it, so I got it last year. I might as well use it if I can. If not, I'll have to look at a different option. But yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, so this is the skimmer that I've got. I bought this last year before I've had any major plans on what I was doing with the pond. I was recently considering getting, I think, one similar to Jamie's from JBL Plastics, but I've just thought to myself, well, if I've got this one I might as well use it. I know it's a lot smaller, but it'll still do the job. I know it only comes with, I think it's 1.5 inch pipe fitting, but I'm going to adapt that to 3 inches. So I'm going to get it out now, set it up on the blocks and see how I can work it into the pond. Okay, so having put this skimmer in place, it looks like it's pretty deep skimmer, if you know what I mean. And it's going to drop down 3 blocks worth. I'm not entirely happy with that. I don't think there's a lot of support in there. So I think what I'm going to do is crack on with some block work, have a think about this. I might actually end up going for one of those JBL Plastics skimmers. Yeah, so I'll come back to you on that. Right, so that's the 4th course all the way around. I was a bit of a knob when I did that end because I didn't use a string line, trying to be a smart ass. So just on the left hand side there, it's a little bit out, but I can just make that up on the next one. That'll teach me to try and cut corners. But yep, coming on. 2, maybe 3 more layers to go. Okay, I'm going to call it a day now. I've got to be up at about 3:30 in the morning for work. I've got 3 or 4 hours out there. Managed to get these corners in since the last clip. A few on that back row, that corner, and that corner. So next week I can finish that off. I'll finish the back side off there, the left side and the front side there. I'm going to leave that side there until I decide what I'm doing with the skimmer. I just don't like the way that Cockney Koi skimmer sits in the block work compared to like the JBL ones, which actually, you know, it's the size of a block, so it fits in nice and snug. So I'll have a look at that tonight or this evening, and hopefully I should be getting this finished next weekend, block work anyway, and I can move on to the timber for the filter house.
Right, that's it for this one. Drop me a comment below, let me know how you think things are going on. Should hopefully have the block work done soon, nearly there. Can't wait to get it finished, to be honest. It's proper doing me back in, but yeah, nearly there. So yeah, drop me a comment below. Also, let me know if I'm right on that Kohaku, Tancho Kohaku. Pretty sure it's that, but yeah, if I'm wrong, please let me know. And once again, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. A reminder that we'll be having that 100 subscriber giveaway, hopefully very soon. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.